Our journey continues beyond the city lights, venturing into the ancient heart of Malaysia. Welcome to Part 2, Nature's Ancient Wonders. We begin in Taman Negara, one of the world's oldest tropical rainforests, estimated to be over 130 million years old. Walking 40 meters above the forest floor, the canopy walkway offers a rare perspective of this prehistoric ecosystem. But before we explore the emerald hills of the highlands, a quick note for our viewers. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. This vast wilderness is home to an incredible array of life, protecting species that have thrived here for millennia. Deep within the forest, hidden waterfalls provide a serene escape, their sounds echoing the rhythm of nature. Leaving the lowlands, we ascend into the cool, misty air of the Cameron Highlands, a landscape of emerald green. Established during the colonial era, these hills became famous for their high-quality tea, nurtured by the perfect climate. Walking through these endless rows of tea is a meditative experience, with the scent of fresh leaves on the breeze. The iconic BOHT Center offers a panoramic view of the estates, where the history of Malaysian tea comes to life. Nearby, the mossy forest feels like a scene from a fairy tale, an ancient high-altitude cloud forest draped in mist. The highlands are also the nation's garden, famous for strawberries and fresh produce grown in the fertile soil. Strawberry picking is a favorite local pastime, a sweet reward for those venturing into the mountains. As evening falls over the highlands, the landscape transforms into a painting of soft hues and quiet beauty. The harmony of life here, from the tiniest orchid to the grandest vista, is a testament to Malaysia's natural heritage. Our nature journey isn't over yet. From the mountains, we head toward the turquoise waters and white sands of the coast. In Part 3, we'll explore the 99 islands of Langkawi, home to 550-million-year-old rock formations and ancient legends. Thank you for exploring the wild side of Malaysia with us. We'll see you in the final chapter of our tour. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.